Happy afternoon, Bitcoin chart. We are working on an ascending wedge on the 15-minute time chart for Bitcoin. As I said yesterday, we did break this wonderful support here on the visible range. You could see we blasted through that, used this bottom trend line as support, bounced off of that. We're working on a small double bottom on the 15-minute time frame, which is what we're looking at now. 15-minute bullish double bottom. You will not see a huge move because it's a 15-minute chart, but you will see a move to the upside. And basically what we're working on here is coming to the end of the wedge. It's either breaking up or down. A ascending wedge normally is a bearish pattern, and you would often see it fall over at this point. If you do use Market Cipher, you could see that the money flow is coming in. So there's definitely money coming in. You have a VWAP that just turned up, and that to me gives me a little hope that this is going to be coming up above this top trend line and hopefully act as support. Now, if we go to the 1 hour chart, which is this next chart here, you could see different scenario you're talking. You're talking a descending wedge. You're talking about resistance and support. It hit this a few times, bounced off, and it actually broke up above the top trend line, which is great to see. Money flow on the Market Cipher B is just coming up. It's hard to see the green there. I'll try to get us a little closer, but it is coming in. You do have some momentum waves and trigger waves coming up this way, so we might see a decent rise above where we are now. The 4 hour, same thing. You had two descending wedges. This breakout of the descending, so normally the descending wedge would absolutely, not absolutely, 64, 68% of the time break up. Now we had a break down here. My assumption on why we had a break down here is because of the bears were trying to bust up the longs. So they sell off, the computers sell off, anyone that was long up here gets liquidated, and they come right back up here, they buy at the bottom, come back in, and look how beautiful this is. Look at this wonderful support between these trend lines. We broke above it really nicely. This became support, support, support. We broke back into this channel, but now we're working on breaking out of it, and it'll be interesting to see how this plays out. And are we going to see something like this? Is this going to roll over back into the channel, or will we then use that as support and bounce off of that and then possibly make another descending wedge and continue to move up? That will be interesting to see on the 4 hour time frame, and something I'm looking closely at it. Please, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you guys, and we'll see you soon.